Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency graphs. If you're a beginner looking to understand how to read and analyze these graphs, you've come to the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation in interpreting cryptocurrency graphs. So let's get started. Step 1. Understand the basics of cryptocurrency graphs. Before we delve into the specifics, it's crucial to understand the basics of cryptocurrency graphs. Cryptocurrency graphs represent the price movement of a particular cryptocurrency over time. They consist of two axes. The vertical axis shows the price, while the horizontal axis represents the time frame. Step 2. Choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange and charting platform. To begin learning about cryptocurrency graphs, you'll need a reliable cryptocurrency exchange and charting platform. There are numerous options available, such as Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Sign up for an account on your chosen platform and explore the charting tools they offer. Step 3. Familiarize yourself with different chart types. Cryptocurrency graphs come in various chart types, each providing unique insights. The most common ones are line charts, candlestick charts, and bar charts. Line charts show the closing prices over time, while candlestick and bar charts display additional information like opening prices, highs, lows, and closing prices. Step 4. Analyze key chart patterns and indicators. Now that you're familiar with different chart types, it's time to analyze key chart patterns and indicators. Look for patterns such as support and resistance levels, trend lines, and chart formations like triangles, head and shoulders, or double tops/bottoms. Additionally, learn about technical indicators such as moving averages, relative strength index, RSI, and MACD, which can provide insights into market trends and potential price reversals. Step 5. Study time frames and intervals. Understanding time frames and intervals is essential when analyzing cryptocurrency graphs. Common time frames include daily, weekly, and monthly. Each time frame provides a different perspective on price movements. Additionally, pay attention to intervals, which determine the length of each candlestick or bar on the graph. Shorter intervals offer more detailed information, while longer intervals provide a broader overview. Step 6. Utilize charting tools and features. To enhance your analysis, utilize the charting tools and features available on your chosen platform. These tools often include drawing tools for trend lines and shapes, the ability to overlay multiple indicators, and the option to add annotations to mark important events or observations on the graph. Step 7. Stay informed and continuously learn. Learning to interpret cryptocurrency graphs is an ongoing process. Stay informed about the latest news and developments in the cryptocurrency market. Follow reliable sources, join online communities, and engage in discussions to deepen your knowledge. The more you practice analyzing graphs, the better you'll become at spotting patterns and making informed decisions. Step 8. Practice technical analysis with historical data. To reinforce your understanding of cryptocurrency graphs, it's important to practice technical analysis with historical data. Most charting platforms provide access to historical price data, allowing you to analyze past trends and apply your knowledge of chart patterns and indicators. Spend time studying different cryptocurrencies and their historical graphs to gain practical experience in interpreting and predicting price movements. Step 9. Monitor real-time market data. While historical data is valuable for learning purposes, it's equally important to monitor real-time market data. Keep an eye on the current price movements of cryptocurrencies you're interested in. By observing live graphs and analyzing the ongoing trends, you'll gain a better understanding of how market factors and news events can impact cryptocurrency prices. Step 10. Consider fundamental analysis. In addition to technical analysis, consider incorporating fundamental analysis into your understanding of cryptocurrency graphs. Fundamental analysis involves examining the underlying factors that may influence the value of a cryptocurrency, such as technology, team, partnerships, and market demand. By combining technical and fundamental analysis, you'll have a more comprehensive view of a cryptocurrency's potential. Step 11. Document your observations and learn from mistakes. Throughout your journey of learning cryptocurrency graphs, make it a habit to document your observations and learn from your mistakes. Keep a trading journal or a notebook where you record your analysis, predictions, and outcomes. This will help you track your progress, identify patterns, and avoid repeating past errors. Reflect on your trades and adjustments to continuously improve your skills. Step 12. Seek educational resources and mentors. To further enhance your understanding of cryptocurrency graphs, seek out educational resources and mentors in the field. There are numerous online courses, blogs, books, and forums dedicated to cryptocurrency trading and technical analysis. Engage with experienced traders, join communities, and participate in discussions to gain insights and learn from their expertise. Step 13. Start small and practice risk management. As a beginner, it's crucial to start small and practice proper risk management when trading cryptocurrencies based on graph analysis. Set a budget for your investments and avoid risking more than you can afford to lose. Gradually increase your position sizes as you gain more experience and confidence in your analysis. Remember, risk management is key to long-term success in the cryptocurrency market. Step 14. Stay disciplined and emotionally balanced. Lastly, stay disciplined and emotionally balanced when analyzing cryptocurrency graphs. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term price movements. Stick to your trading strategy, exercise patience, and remain level-headed even during volatile market conditions. Emotional control and discipline are vital qualities for successful cryptocurrency traders. In conclusion, congratulations on watching our detailed step-by-step guide on learning cryptocurrency graphs. By following these steps, practicing technical analysis, monitoring real-time data, and combining technical and fundamental analysis, you'll be well on your way to becoming a proficient cryptocurrency trader. Remember, continuous learning, practicing risk management, and staying disciplined are the keys to long-term success. If you're interested in more information on cryptocurrency, graphs or Bitcoin, click the link in the description. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.